Ideas. Ideas can explode onto the scene unannounced, like unexpected posts or a scam call. But how do we develop these ideas? With so many things demanding our attention and time, finding a quiet moment to reflect can feel impossible. But there is one thing we can tap into to help us, and that's routine. Routine brings patterns and repetition. Actions become automatic, almost invisible, as your body slips into a form of autopilot. Once your body knows what to do, your mind is free to wander, drift, and connect dots that didn't exist before. Ideas can sneak in. We don't have to wait for inspiration. We can use the environments we already have to create it. Routine doesn't have to be the opposite of creativity. It can be its birthplace.